I wanted to buy a very strong massager. I found like this is one very interesting one, but there are hardly any videos on it. So it was a very hard decision. Is it good or not? So I decided to make one. So here is a quick unboxing and review of how the product actually is. Today we will be unboxing something what is called as Accel Vibe. This is compact massager which gives you a vibration feel. So let's unbox it. Just wanted to try it, how it really. Here it is. You see? Thrive. Accel. So see, this is how it should look. It has a handle, a switch, and this is the massaging part. So we are supposed to use it like this on your back. I bought it specifically for this because it's good for your back, right? Then you can use it for your neck, you can use it for your upper back, then feet, and then also for your thigh muscles, and anywhere ready for to use. So let's see, open it up and see how it is. So let me open it now. So here we have manual, which I'm not sure will be really required or not. And here is the machine. Let me bring out this machine. And machine obviously has a cable with it. So that's what we have. Looks like a car steering. So here, two speeds, stop, fast or slow. And this is great. This is not too soft and not too hard, but I think this much you require it if you want to have a good massage. So it could be worth trying it. So let's try it out. Let me connect it to the socket and see how it is. I have connected to the socket. Right now it's closed. There are two speeds. Right now it's on the kiri, the middle, which is stop. So if I take it down, it starts vibrating. If I take it top, it vibrates even faster, and I can feel it in my hand that it's a good vibration. Let me try it on my thighs. So we start with the lower speed. Oh, you feel good. Oh, that feels good. And if I now increase the speed, it has a good constant vibration and a feeling of massage. Yeah. Try it on the thigh also. Oh, that's a good relaxing feeling. Looks good. To give you a feel of how fast are these vibrations, I'll keep my hand on it and you'll understand like how fast the vibrations are. Really good, like. Now let me try on Vedu. The weight is not that heavy, but let's see what happens.
Oh God.
How do you feel, Idhar? How do you feel?
Good.
Dikha? How do you feel? Look here and answer. How do you feel? Huh? 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 There you know. Vedu is trying on me. Let me see. Oh, wow.
Sit, sit.
नीचे तक जाओ. Superb. Wow. और ऊपर तक आ जाओ. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Vedu is again doing massage to me, and the feeling is if I can compare it with the massage chair, it's even better than that for sure.
Yes?
And for Vedu, it's easier to do. What do you think?
Yeah.
Arigato.
Does vibrate.
How is it?
It's good.
Good. How do you feel on your feet?
Very vibrating.
Very vibrating.
And
But is it relaxing?
yeah.
My God. Vibrates a lot, man. Perfect.
This is the low.
This is low speed.
Yeah.
Okay.